This is hospital admission and bill summary. It has the user or patient information. For patient ID, such as patient ID, patient name, age, room type, and number of days staying in the hospital. And this sets the price per day for the room based on type. If the type is wrong, then it sets the rate to 0 and prints an error. Calculates total room cost by multiplying the daily rate by the number of days stayed. Then this gets vital sign, number of lab tests, and cost of medicines from the user. Then each lab test costs 1,200. It multiplies by the number of tests to get the lab bill. Checks if the patient needs an operation and adds 15,000 if yes. Then if not, then 0. If no, then 0. Then prints the section header for vital signs and shows blood pressure. If blood pressure is high, low, or normal, and prints the result. It also checks heart rate. Under 60 is low, over 100 is high, else if is normal heart rate. Then to get the subtotal, it adds up all charges to get it. Then it checks which discount applies for senior citizen, high bill, or 10% this standard discount. And this calculates the discount amount and subtracts it from subtotal to get the total bill. And lastly, this is the billing details, where displays a detailed summary of all charges, discounts, and the total amounts to pay.